Looking for an NVR combo that has multiple cameras, 8 channels, 4K, and AI? Well, let's look at this product. Nice! Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at this AMLINK NVR system. This thing does 8 channels, 4K, has AI technology in it, and can even pair with an app. And it also comes with 4 of these super awesome POE cameras. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at this NVR system from AMLINK over here. It comes with 4 cameras as well as the NVR POE system. So let's open them up. First we're going to focus on the camera right here. This is a turret camera right here for the POE, so it's power over Ethernet. Packaging looks fantastic on it. Very, very nice. Let's open it up. First up, we're going to look at the quick start guide right here. It gives you all the information on setting up the app and just how to get started quickly. Next up, we have the drill guide right here, so you can go ahead and put this sticker out and drill or get started the hole so it's easier to mount. We have all of our screws and everything right here, which are included. This little wrench here is what will help you kind of loosen up and move the turret itself. We have the cap right here, which will protect the Ethernet cable so that it doesn't get water damaged. And we have the camera itself. This thing is metal, guys. Very, very nice, high quality. Right here it looks like we got our lights and our camera. And right here is our cable, so you can do power or you can do power over Ethernet, which this system, being the NVR POE system, it does give it power, so nothing to worry about there. Next up in this package is the NVR itself. Wow, my goodness, the packaging on this is very, very nice, very clean, very informative. Whoa, let's open it up. Looks like we have some little floor rubber right here, so you'll be able to put this on the bottom so that it doesn't slide around. We also have our quick start guide with this system here, and I believe this is going to use an app as well as being able to plug directly into your television. So super important to read this. Looks like we have an Ethernet cable that is included, so very cool. Looks like we have our power brick and power cable right here, so nothing to worry about there. It is included. And we have this cute little mouse that's included as well. So again, nothing to worry about. Everything's included in that aspect. And now the NVR itself. This thing looks so nice. We got our USB port right there on the front. We've got some lights to tell you when everything's plugged up properly. We got plenty of ventilation on the sides there. And on the back we have 8 ports that are all POE set up. So this will send electricity to your units. We have our Ethernet port, another USB port. We got some audio jacks. We got the ability to do VGA and HDMI. Keep in mind though, HDMI cable is not included. So right there, everything you need. This thing, again, feels very nice. Well, let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out. This is the AMLINK 4K POE security system for outdoors, and it comes with an 8-channel POE NVR and a 4-pack of the 4K turret cameras, as well as 4 60-foot Ethernet cables. AI features in dual illumination. The 4K turret POE AI camera features human detection, face and vehicle detection with event filtering, dual illumination night vision with a full night color with white LED and IR LED night vision. It offers 4K at 20 FPS video with a super wide 135.2 degree viewing and an f-stop of 1.6 aperture and a 1 by 2.7 foot image sensor. Advanced H.265 compression technology lets you save on storage space, which allows for longer recording time. This technology compresses your video without sacrificing any of the Ultra HD video quality, and intelligent search and playback and backup functions provide enhanced ease of use and security. For example, motion detection events and exact search functions that are accurate to 1 second, and it supports AI features from all IP cameras. AI features available dependent on the camera model being used, but it only supports the 1-channel AI cameras at 12 megapixel 30 FPS. Human and vehicle detection and IVS features on NVR. It connects to and manages all of the POE IP cameras on your network directly through their Ethernet cables for ultimate ease and convenience in a home security system. Compliance, simplicity, security, it's all AMLINK. All AMLINK products comply with the National Defense Authorization Act, or the NDAA, and are not manufactured by, nor do they contain components from, from any companies listed on the FCC covered list. This AMLINK POE NVR features a secure connection and receives regular firmware updates, so it supports storage to a hard drive up to 20 terabytes, but do keep in mind the hard drive is not included. So when it comes to security for your home or your business, AMLINK has got you covered. So I gotta say, this thing is powerful, and the fact that it has 8 channels and comes with 4 cameras, wow, great job AMLINK. As you know, we've worked with AMLINK in the past multiple times. Our products are always fantastic and high quality and affordable. And one of the things we really love is the fact that they have so many amazing new technology features. And they don't charge you anything extra. A lot of these other competitors are going to charge you monthly subscription fees to that. So we want to give a huge shout out to AMLINK for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!